Alright guys, well today my wife said that her truck, the front speakers aren't working on her 2008 Silverado. Both the speakers are bad, so we're gonna change both the speakers. And not too many videos. I had a couple speakers. They're Bose speakers. This truck does not have Bose, but we're gonna put them speakers. This is a Bose speaker, and both the front doors. I did that side already. Worked out pretty good. Only issue I came up with was the Bose speakers have a different plug-in than the regular speakers, the regular non-Bose speakers. So this is the non-Bose speaker, the regular GM speaker, and we're just going to take this plug-in adapter off and put it on the new wiring in the door. So, oh, got my camera assistant guy. He's gonna help me. How you doing, buddy? Just use these little keys. They're terminal keys to undo the plug-in. So let's get to it and change this speaker. Take the old one out because yeah, they don't work and they're just bad. So we're gonna put Bose speakers in this, buddy. All right. Pay attention. Go. All right, we gotta pop this panel off. You're gonna need a little screwdriver, 10 millimeter. We're gonna take. It's kind of dark right here. Why don't you go turn the other one? You need to pop this off from the door back there. I need to turn this other light on. Okay. Then there's two 10 millimeter screws back here. We're gonna get them too. Then we gotta take. Hold on. Okay, then we're gonna come down here. We gotta take this one off. We got more light now. We turn the other lights on. Take this one. Pop this one off. Try to. There we go. Pop that little cap off. For two caps, another 10 millimeter. We gotta pop this off. Just like that. Got 10 millimeter there, 10 millimeter there, up top. Take them off. Take that one. Take that one. Take that one off. These two right here. Okay. Alrighty, now we're gonna pop our lock off. Take that off. There we go. That's off. Then we're gonna pull this handle off. There we go. Take that off. Take that down. Can pull this off. I mean, you probably don't have to for what we're doing, but to pop this off. Pretty easy. So now we gotta pull the whole panel off, pick it up. Oh, let's take this off. Take the mirror cover off. There we go. Oop. We broke the tab. You're broke. Uh-oh. Fix that. Okay, now we gotta pull this panel off. Alright, grab. Start down in the corner. Very quick quick jerk. Okay. Set the panel there. Come back over here. Get a video right here, bud. Okay, here's your speaker. You got one. Let me get a light here. One. See it right down there? Can you see it? Can't see? Oh, let's pull this up. Get that screw right there. That's 7mm. Can't see it. Here. One 7mm screw, and that speaker will come right out. So, okay, let's get a screw gun. We'll take that out. Okay. Hold on. Oh. Unpause it. Ready? Oop, gotta take this off. Okay. Take a little screwdriver. Pop that off. Take our... Oh, where's my pliers? We got one. Here's the plug-in. See how I was saying the plug-in's different? Because we need to put the Bose plug-in, or the connector, versus the regular standard GM speaker plug-in. So we got to put this one on. I already took this one apart with my terminal keys. Just slides in, slide the wires out. So then we're gonna put these other two in, all right? All right, take this little retainer, take that off. Then we gotta get this plug-in off. We gotta push down on that. These things are kind of tough. Kind of tough to push down on them. Take this screwdriver. Oop.
There goes the speaker.
There goes the speaker. That's the bad speaker. Front bad. I don't know why it's bad. It don't look bad. Nothing looks bad to it, but I have no idea. It don't work. All right. So now we have to take this connector off. Take one of these little terminal keys right here. Which one did I use? I believe. So this one. Oh, we gotta take this off first. See this little thing? This little retainer clip. Take that off. That holds the wires in. Okay. Take that off. Take your wiring. Let's see if we can slide this out. Oop. What was that one? Or which key was it?
Bro, you just wrecked that key.
I know what. I bent that one. Oop. Was it that one? Which key was it, buddy? Should have marked it. Can't find it now.
Pass.
Alright, this is the key. Push the key in. And we push that out. Okay? It's that key right there. See, these are all the terminal keys I got. They're eBay. They're 10, 15 bucks. They work pretty good. Got basically all the keys for different terminals. You can undo it. So slide it in, unlocks that little tab right there, so that now we can slide the new. Okay, keep it like that. Remember the tab's up. You gotta remember which way you're going. Tab's up. So now we gotta grab Grab our, where'd it go? Okay, go ahead and unpause. What? Okay, go. So now here's the blue bose connector. So we slide the bose one off. This one's dirty because I had to dig it out of a door. But so then we're gonna slide the two wires are gonna go in the back of this connector. Just like that. Push them in hard. They'll come back. See how they came all the way in the forward, all the way to the front. Grab the little wire keeper. We're gonna slide this one back in, just like so. That's gonna hold the wires in. Oh, where's your bose speaker? Clean this off. This is a used speaker. Came out of a door I had. So then we're gonna plug.
It's the same speaker, not the same speaker.
Oh, yeah, I did. It's not the same speaker. Just see, now we had to change that connector because it's not. This is the bose speaker. So we're gonna plug this one in here. Plug-in works fine. Come back. We're gonna hook our wire back up. Right like that. And then we're gonna set that down there. Snap her in. Just like that. It's got a little clip. Pause. Find our little screw here. Put our screw back in. We should probably test it before. I don't know if these speakers are good. They're used speakers, so we should probably test it before we get it all back together, huh? What do you think? So, is that a good idea, Chase? Let me tighten this one up. And then we'll, I think it'll work. Alright. Hold on. Let's listen. Turn the radio on. That don't come in very good. Let me see. Let's turn it to the front. Oh yeah. They work. We're in a steel barn, so we don't get good reception. Both work. There we go. Got that changed. So, now, we've got to put this mess back together, just like we took it apart. What do you think, cameraman? So, I don't know. Let me see. Hopefully that helps somebody. If you want to change your speakers out from regular GM stock speakers to a Bose speaker, it's not a big deal. Change your plug-in. Get them terminal keys. They work really well. So, get them. Change the... What's that? What? I got my assistant over here. But no, then put the panel back on, door panel, and change your speakers and fix them. So hopefully that helps somebody. Oh, sorry. Oh, hand was there. All right. Well, thank you guys. We'll see you.